Good morning. The new video is based on sums on trigonometry. So sin theta is given 11 upon 61 and they want you to find out cos theta and tan theta. There are various methods by which you can do it, but this is what prescribed at this moment. Sin theta is 11 upon 61, that is also equals to opposite side of theta angle upon hypotenuse. So that means there is a ratio. The ratio has to be converted into a normal number, and for that we require common multiple. So let the common multiple for given ratio be x. Therefore the side opposite to angle theta is 11x and hypotenuse will become 61x. So let us take a triangle ABC such that angle B is 90 degree and angle C is theta. The diagram as it is shown here. So what will be side AB, because side AB is opposite side of angle theta, so it will be 11x and hypotenuse is AC, so that will become 61x. Clear? So now by Pythagoras theorem, as you know, AC square, that is hypotenuse square, equals to sum of the square of the sides forming right angle by Pythagoras theorem. When I substitute the value, AB is replaced by 11x and AC is replaced by 61x, so it becomes 61x whole square equals to 11x whole square plus BC square. When further simplify, I get 61x whole square minus 11x square equals to BC whole square. 11x which was there on the right side is transferred to the left side. Therefore, as you know, a square minus b square formula, a square minus b square equals to a plus b into a minus b, or a minus b into a plus b. So the same thing applied. 61x minus 11x into 61x plus 11x equals to BC square. Therefore 50x, because 61x minus 11x will give you 50x into 72x. 61x plus 11x becomes 72x equals to BC square. When I further simplify by taking square root, I get plus and minus 60x. But as you know, theta is greater than or equals to 0 or less than 90 degree or equals to 90 degree. Therefore BC will be only 60x, that is plus 60x. Now we need to find out cos theta and tan theta. So cos theta, as you see, adjacent side upon hypotenuse, so BC upon AC. When I substitute the value, 60x, BC is 60x and AC is 61x, x and x will get cancelled, we get answer as 60 upon 61. So cos theta is nothing but 60 upon 61. Similarly, we have tan theta, that is AB upon BC, because opposite side upon adjacent side of the theta angle, so AB is the opposite side and BC is the adjacent side. When I simplified, I got 11 upon 60. So you have seen that cos theta we got value as 60 upon 61 and tan theta we have got 11 upon 60. We will see one more sum in which ratio is not given. So in triangle ABC, such that angle C is 90 degree, AC is 3 and BC is 4. They have not given us ratio at this moment. So we have to find out sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. Here is the diagram. We have got AC as 3 as it is given in the question and BC is 4. So we will not take common multiple because already they have given you actual value. So we will directly apply Pythagoras theorem. So AB square equals to AC square plus BC square by Pythagoras theorem. When we substitute, AB square equals to 3 square plus 4 square. AC is 3 and BC is 4. When I further simplify, I got AB square equals to 9 plus 16, which is equals to 5. The same rule, it will be positive. So I have put the value AB in the diagram as 5. And the angle also I am taking it theta, B I am specifying, so that we can easily find out sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. It is not necessary that angle B only can become theta. It can become angle A, and accordingly the term will change. So now sin theta, as you know, opposite side of angle theta upon hypotenuse. So it will become AC, because the opposite angle of theta is AC and hypotenuse is AB. Therefore, when I substitute, I get the value 3 upon 5. So sin theta is nothing but 3 upon 5. Let us take about cos theta. As you know, cos theta is adjacent side upon hypotenuse. So adjacent side is BC and hypotenuse is AB. When I substitute the value, I get cos theta equals to 4 upon 5. Similarly, I got tan theta, opposite side upon adjacent side. So AC upon BC, which is equals to 3 upon 4. You have seen that here I have not used common multiples and x is not there. Why? Because they have actually given the value of AC and BC, and that is why it is taken directly. I hope it is clear. See you with the next video.